Saying number 372. Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, said to Jabir ibn Abdullah, Ansari, "O Jabir, the mainstay of religion and the world are four persons: the scholar who acts on his knowledge, the ignorant who does not feel ashamed of learning, the generous who is not niggardly in his favors, and the destitute who does not sell his next life for his worldly benefits." Consequently, when the scholar wastes his knowledge, the ignorant feels shame in learning, and when the generous is niggardly with his favors, the destitute sells his next life for the worldly benefits. O Jabir, if favors of Allah abound on a person, the people's needs towards him also abound. Therefore, he who fulfills for Allah all that is obligatory on him in this regard will preserve them, Allah's favors, in continuance and perpetuity, while he who does not fulfill those obligations will expose them to decay and destruction.